Okay, we're going to do a quick walkthrough on how to access Edline. Edline, of course, is our course management system, which is our main portal of communication between faculty and students and your parents. Now, to get to Edline, you can come up here to the Berkeley homepage, go to school.berkeleyprep.org, and you can find the Edline link, or you can simply type in edline.net and it takes you to the same location. Now, once you get to the login screen, you're going to be given by the school login credentials and sign in. Now, once into Edline, you're going to see a few different things. Now, this view is going to be very similar to yours. Since I am a teacher, obviously it's going to be slightly different. You are going to notice here on the announcements page all the upcoming events. Obviously, I'm recording this in May, so you can see all the different things that are going on in May that you may or may not want to know. Below that is news, any very important information with additional information attached or links can be found here, and of course the calendar, which is linked here. Amongst other things, it also has tests that'll be taken in the upper division. On the right-hand side, you can see here is actually the test calendar. Now, the test calendar is where teachers sign up to have tests in different classes. So if you were to click on the test calendar and go to the calendar itself, you would see on any given day there is a series of tests. So not only would your teacher tell you in class you're having a test, it would also be on Edline under assignments, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but it would also be located here on the test calendar. So if you have Mr. Pryzak in Spanish 3, blocks B and H, you are going to have a test on May 8th. And that is how the test calendar works. So now if we were to look at a particular student, you can see here Ethan has several of his classes, and let's just pick world history. Here are all of his classes, and when you go to a particular class, each teacher is going to have a very similar looking page. Probably going to have some kind of a picture in the middle, news, calendar, links, and then you're going to have all the course content on the right hand side. Now, one thing that every teacher is going to use is the assignment sheets. These are your lesson plans, if you will, for the week. So if we looked at one of these particular sheets here, you could see that the homework that they're going to be covering per day is on here, so that you know each and every day of every week what is due. Now when you want to go back, just click on World History, and you can also see here that there are class notes, usually in PowerPoint format, that you have access to, as well as other things that this teacher wants you to know. Some teachers will have lots of different links, and your teachers, of course, depending on the teacher, are going to be organizing these in different ways, and you'll get used to that, and they'll go through it with you, usually on the first week of school. If we look at another student, let's look at a bio lab. You could see here that this particular student, let's try another one, geometry. Their assignments are here. If we go back one, their handouts are located here. So you start to get an idea that these pages have a very similar look and feel, and once you master one, you'll master the other. Of course, all the teachers' email accounts are there if you want to get in contact with them. Not only can you use Outlook, which we went over in a separate video, but you can use Edline, of course, as your main portal of communication. It's very important, especially when you're using a machine that might not be yours when you log into Edline, to always sign out. If you have any more questions about Edline or any other tech tool, please let me know. See the help desk.